What's going on? This is Cooks with Brooklyn Mitsubishi, Heinz Auto, El Patronn. You know the name, you know the game. You know, we got this car blocking out this RX350. You know why? Too much clout. I can't have too much people coming in at once, but that's already what's going on. Right here we got our 2017 Lexus RX350 F Sport Edition. Take a look at this interior. Take a look at this interior. When's the last time you seen an RX350 this clean? When's the last time you seen a red interior F Sport? When's the last time you seen deals this amazing? Come in and set an appointment. Come in and see me. Damn! Come in and get this RX350. Sunroof, red interior, navigation, everything you need. Sport plus mode. Come in and see me.